Hello everyone, myself Monisha Chare and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I'm here to talk to you about the topic child labor, putting full stop to it. In India, child labor practice is one of the most frequently raised questions. Due to poverty and unemployment, children are forced to work as a labor which is very dangerous for their own lives sometimes. These children at their childhood memories building period work as a labor so they don't have to sleep hungry at night just in order to fulfill their and their family basic needs. They work. The child labor prohibition the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Amendment Act 2016. In India, this act prohibits the child labor work. It states that the employment of child below the age of 14 years is prohibited, but except in the family business and working as a child artist. The children between the age group of 14 to 18 years also are prohibited to work at dangerous places. This law also paves the way for India's responsibility to fulfill the International Labour Organization Convention number 182, which prohibits any form of work that is hazardous and can be jeopardize a child's physical and mental well-being. Its main aim is to eliminate all form of child labor for children below the age of 18. The amendment provides strict punishment for employers who violate the act. So basically, what are the constitutional rights for child labor? Constitutional provisions state the free and compulsory education for children up to the age group 6 to 14 years under Article 21, Clause 1. Prohibition of employment of children in factories. Article 24 of the Constitution clearly prohibits the employment of children below the age of 14 in any factory or mines. Fundamental duties in India under Article 52 Clause A Subclause K, it is the fundamental duty of every person to provide education to their children below the age of 6 to 14. Punishments that are given for practicing child labor. Punishment for employing a child below the age of 14 is imprisonment for of between 6 months, which can be extended to 2 years, and or a fine of Rs 20,000, which can be extended to 50,000. Punishment for employing a child between 14 to 18, imprisonment for a between of 6 months, which can be extended to 2 years, and or for a fine of 20,000, which can be extended to 50,000. Imprisonment of 1 year, which may extend to 3 years if the person commit the offense again after being punished already. So the parents who send their children to workplaces, they are also punished by the law. So punishment for parents are parents who force their children who work instead of providing them with education are also entitled to be punished. The law issue a warning if the rule is violated once. If the parents continues to force their children to work after being already warned, they are punished with a fine up to 10,000. In India, these are more than 40 plus labor law, as this matters comes under concurrent list, where central government plus state government both can make laws. So many times due to this confusion is created and laws are messed up around. So to make it clear and less complicated, government divided all the 40 plus labor law into four categories. First, Code of Wages. Second, Industrial Relation Code 2020, and Code of Social Security 2020, Code Code on Occupational Safety, Health and Working Condition 2020. These are the reforms in the world labor law, and this code replaces all the 13 labor law that are related to safety, health, working conditions, remuneration, wages, etc. etc. So all the 40 laws are categorized into these four laws. So basically, when it is going to end? International Labour Organization State Convention 138, it stipulates that the minimum age for any children to start working should not be below the age of compulsory schooling, and in case not less than 15 years, with an exception for the developing countries. Convention number 182, it prohibits employment of children in any hazardous work which is likely to jeopardize the children's physical mental health. It aims at the elimination of the work form of children labor amongst children below 18 years. For the year 2021, International Labour Organization promoted a week of action on 12th June, starting with the launch of the Global Estimates and Trends on Labor Law. The event carried out during the week with an opportunity for the partners to showcase progress in the carrying out of 2021 action plays. All the pledges that are made by the regional, national, and organizational stakeholders and individuals were featured on the website for the 2021 international year. So we can conclude that we can end with the word that there are many steps taken around the world in our country to stop the child labor practice, but more strict implementation should be made in order to make it more serious topic, so that it can be bring changes in the society and no children have to sacrifice their childhood in order to fulfill their basic necessities. As a citizen of this country, we should start with our homes and with ourselves, that we will not include any child worker in our day to day household work. And if we see any children working nearby, we will complain to the police too. Thank you so much. I hope you have understood this topic, and for more such information, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do like, share, and comment. Thank you.